Hey everybody. So today, you ever heard of morning wood? Well, instead of morning wood, it's morning mango. This is what I'm eating for breakfast with some tajin because I'm unhealthy. And some chamoy. Can you quit moving, you ghost camera? Well, anyway. And then we got this stuff. Even though I had some for dessert last night, I just can't help but to want more because I have obesity. So we'll be eating this giant mango. Well, not all of it. We'll eat until the skin ends. It's really good. This would go good with some watermelon. Hi, Mom. Every time I try to make a video, there's always something. No! I'm making a video. You know what that means?
No, I don't.
Now see. No. Sit. Don't wink at me. Don't wink at me. You think you can flirt your way out of this? No. Anyway. I'm eating this mango. It's pretty big. So I need more tajin on there. On sauce. What are you doing whispering?
What are you talking about?
Why are you whispering?
No, I'm not. I'm talking to China.
I don't think she can hear you.
Of course you can.
You just said she was deaf. How's she gonna hear you if you're whispering? Well, anyway. Okay, I think that's all for today. Ow. Time to drink some agua. Like my cup. I got fibers in my teeth. Ew. It's like built-in tooth floss. Kind of like celery too. Nature's weird. I just mopped.
Is that what it's what?
Yeah, I just mopped because she pissed and I stepped in it. Yeah. Ow, my cheeks are on fire. Okay, everybody, bye. I'm leaving.